a Chicken of the Woods adventure. Hi folks, are you alright? I don't know if you can see me. Anyway, fancy doing something a bit different. My shoulder's still a bit buggered from all the swinging. Not that type of swinging. Yeah, so I thought I'd do something different. But this is my ode to Grizzly Gaz and English Woodsman. So yeah, tonight we're gonna see if this is really a chicken of the woods, as he does a solo camp here. Now I've already picked out a little spot just there. Just gonna have a bit of a clean up. So get with you in a minute. Can't film too much because I want to save some video. Well, if I'm honest, I've just got this, I think it was just lower than 50 quid thing from Tesco's. It's not done me too bad. I did the Glastonbury video in it and that. But yeah, I'll just clear some space. So anyway. Ta-da! Yeah, well, she's alright for me. It's supposed to be a 4-man tent, but yeah, it's not massive. Get 3 people in it easily, but sorry. Yeah, you can see in there, but it's ain't a bad size in there. Anyway, I'll get the airbed in and that, and yeah, see where we're going. It's getting dark though, so I need to hurry. Well, if I'm honest with you, it's going bloody dark fast, and I've been tidying up a bit. Just trying to get everything a bit tidier, build up a fire, all that thing. Yeah, so let me show you something cool. Welcome to the Glade. This is an old structure I built many years ago. My little place in the woods. So yeah, it's not the first time I've ever spent a night in the woods on my own. But let me show you something else. For those of you that ain't seen this before, this is my unfinished earth lodge. Yeah, abandoned this a couple of years ago, to be honest, but yeah, it's a bit dark inside at the minute. There's a hole in the roof. There is a fire pit in the middle. Might get that lit up later. We'll see what happens. Anyway, the tent's up. Yeah, I'll be sleeping in that tonight because I don't fancy sharing it, the earth lodge, quite at the minute with the mice and that. So yeah, get everything set up, get a fire going. Oh yeah, I ain't showed you the fire pit yet. Yeah, it's a big one. I like a big fire. It's the only way of lighting the place up. So I'm not scared and on my own. Oh, what could I say? Can't beat a good fire. And that's a good fire. I've spit roasted legs of muntjac on that and God knows what over the years. So yeah, at least the place is a bit lit up now. It's a bit gloomy. Now, I should actually tell you that there is actually there's a Roman camp, or we don't know if it's Roman or Saxon, but not very far from here. I'll try and pick up some pictures of a LiDAR image, because you won't see it in the woods, but then you will. That's LiDAR Finder for any of you who want to have a look at it. Bounces light off the earth and shows you all the weird things. Yeah, so anyway, get nice by this fire for a bit, settle down, open my can of Monster, and yeah, have a bit of a chill out. See you in a bit. Well, if I'm honest with you, I was going to get my can of Monster, but you know what, I'm going to have a coffee. So while watching some of Grizzly Gaz's videos, I saw him get one of these at one point. Now these are quite cheap. You find these on eBay, about 16 quid I think. These little fold-out stoves, quite good. Although I've got the big gas with me, fresh one, so it weighs a ton. So yeah. And the other thing I will say is, sorry guys, I can't do that stuff in a can, but at a push. So I've got a mixture of coffee and sugar and proper milk. Yes. Anyway, let me get on with this shizzle. There's my little kettle. My water's in there. Yeah, it's a bit dark, so let me get it going. And yeah. Okay, calm down. Calm down. How fast do you want it to boil? Seriously. There's only about half a cup full in there. Half a cup of water. There's a pint cup like that. Yeah, it's about half a cup in there. That'll take all of about, just imagine a minute, minute and a half. Honestly, it's like rapid. It's been boiling for about, say a minute. And I think that's already boiled. We ain't waiting for the whistle. When you know, you know, as Gaz says. Don't you, Grizz? Grizzly Gaz. See? Oh, that's hot enough. Yeah, that last bit. You can never get the last bit out one of these, can you? Anyway, I'll get on my coffee. Just give that a little stir. Get on my coffee. Go and have a bit of a chill by the fire. And listen to the animals and listen to nature. And see if I can get freaked out by any weird noises. Well, Grizzly Gaz, I know you got your Fenzel, but do you want to see my Mrs. Slug for the night? Yeah, she's just chowing down on a bit of San Miguel. Or we could have this one over here. Say hello, mate. Yeah, it's not a very nice sight, that, but yeah, people don't seem to be taking the litter away. I've managed to get most of it into this corner. I have to come back with some more bin bags at some point. The smell coming from it, so there's possibly some. I mean, look, there's a whole tub of tarantulas here. I mean, what the hell? What, bloody open? Where's the thing? Can't see in the dark. If I'm honest with you, they look fine. No, I am not going to eat one of those. Right, well, I think it's about time to do some cooking. So we ain't using that. There's a security light here, it keeps coming on and it keeps freaking me out. But never mind. Yeah, so we're not using that. Let me take you on a magical journey. Right, let me sort that. Try not to trip over the wall. Let's go to the Earth Lodge, the unfinished Earth Lodge. Welcome to the Earth Lodge. Oh. Yes. Don't worry, it's not too big a fire. We've had bigger. Yeah. Right, so once that dies down a bit, we'll get the grill on. Because we got chicken tonight. Some kind of barbecue chicken. So I've cleaned the grill up earlier. And yeah, we'll get to it soon. It's cool, ain't it, my little Earth Lodge? I really need to finish the inside though, because of all the crap that I used to build it out of. And then shore it up a little bit better and get it covered in the earth. That's why it's the unfinished birth lodge. As you can see, it's not a bad little place. My little glade, my little unfinished earth lodge. Something different to do at the weekends, isn't it? Anyway, oh, I was going to say, I forgot my knife tonight. But just piggying around earlier, I did manage to make this, which is quite a nice little blade. Well, it's not a blade, it's just a sharp thing that I made out of flint. So yeah, I'll show you some better pictures of that later. But see if I need that to cut anything. See you in a bit, folks. Oh. Well, what can I say? Some strange noises outside at the minute. Yeah. Yeah, it's like I say, it's just, can't really see me over there, can you? Let's move you a bit closer. Yeah. So, like I say, it's I love my little earth lodge place. It's cool. Excuse me, smoking. It's just my chill out zone. Like I say, I've always said there's not much in a forest at night time that can hurt you. I mean, anything that's there at night is pretty much in there in the day. I've always said if I was the axe wielding maniac, yeah, I think I'd wait down a dark alley, down a town alley, you know what I mean? Not in the middle of a wood at 2 o'clock in the morning or whatever it is. So, I don't even know what the bloody time is at the moment. Yeah. Anyway, gonna have food soon, whatever time it is. The embers are just getting nice now, so. Ooh. Yes, it's starting to look lovely, that is. Oh, anyway, I'll get back to you in a little while. Who's running around on my earth lodge? As you can see, you can't really see a lot around. Yeah, that's the fire pit over there. Tents over there. Yeah, so you can't really see a lot. This used to be the allotment. There's still some potatoes left, look. There's my little, was going to be the fern garden, but I say I've not been up here for a while. Well, with the fire being how it is, let's get the grill on. Oh. Right, Try and remember which way it goes. I can never remember. I built the bloody thing, I can't remember how it goes. No. I'll figure it out. Alright, sorted the grill. It's going to get a bit dark in here. I've got to let the embers die down and get the chicken on. As you can see, it's a bit dark in here. Only my little orb is a source of light. Right. We'll be back when the chicken's on. Chicken tonight. Well, the chicken is on. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Delicious. Can't you wait till it's cooked? Oh, you fuck, what's that? What's that? Who's there? Even I get freaked out. Probably a badger, muntjac, something like that. Axe wielding murderer. Stop it! Would you fucking stop it? Give up! Leave me to me chicken. Come back in a minute when the chicken's cooked. You can have some, alright? Do that first. Am I chicken in the woods? We'll find out. See me at about 3 o'clock in the morning. Help me! I need to get out of here quick! Oh God! Yeah. Come on, chicken cook. Well, I don't know if anybody's the same as me, but when cooking chicken from raw, especially on a fire, I like to make sure it's black. Yeah, make sure it's well cooked. Last thing you want to be doing is waking up in the early hours and having to run to dig a hole. So, yeah. Can't be far off now. It's been on for about 20 minutes. But, yeah, I'll probably get another 10. So, anyway. As this is a different type of video, I know most of you are probably on here to watch my metal detecting videos or maybe even bottle digging, swearing videos. Yeah, I thought we'd do something different, a bit of wild camping. If you've just seen this wild camping video, Chicken of the Woods does wild camping, yeah. Tell me why you do this type of thing, or why you even do the metal detecting. Personally for me, it's all to do with mental health. I know a lot of you out there struggle with your mental health too. I struggle with mine. So, I like to get out, do things in my life. I used to have a major problem with drinking. Yeah. I'm somewhere in the process of also being tested for ADHD, which would explain the insanity. Yeah. So, put down in the comments below why you like to do what you do. Whether it's metal detecting, camping, bottle digging, or maybe something else. Maybe it's gold panning over in Colorado. He's had some nice stuff over in Colorado. If you've not seen his videos yet, go and check him out. Been chatting to him a little bit. He's had some nice gold come out recently. More gold than what I found. Yeah, so now I found that ring. Still got to wait and get it to flow somehow. But anyway, I think the chicken's about done, so I'll leave it there. Yeah, I'll probably go into this more one day, but I think that's enough for now. Dinner is ready. It's very hot. I suppose I should let it cool down, really. Go. Ah, no. No. Getting a bit smoky in here. Need to get the flames up again. Very hot chicken. Right. Just on the side. Sit. Stay. It's gonna be hot, and it's been on fire. Let's get some more sticks on. And if this was snap. No, it won't snap. With this one, this little one. Anyway, let me build this fire back up, eat some chicken, and I'll be back with you. Well, I was just coming to my tent, and it seems I got a friend. Hello, Mr. Toad. Any ickle toad? Let's move you away from the tent so you don't go underneath it and I don't squash you. Ah, Buffo Buffo. Latin name for a toad. He's lovely. Beep. See that? See the lump behind the eye there? That lump. That's actually its poison gland. Now they're not highly toxic or anything like that to us, but you wouldn't want to get that in your mouth. So he's got poison glands there. He's also got some on his back legs. But yeah, little toad. Well, it's God knows what time, so I think it's time for another coffee. Yes, coffee time. Honestly, like 2 minutes and it's done. That's more than half a cup in that. I've just poured all the water into it so I can just use it in the morning. Anyway, let me get on with my coffee. I'm sorry, mate, but you can't have me coffee. You can't. Let me just get in before he goes in it. Well, like an idiot, I've left myself no water for in the morning, and the only thing near is a pond. I don't really fancy drinking that, so fucking mosquitoes are out. Probably finish this and hit the sack. See if we can sleep. We'll see if anything wants to come and wake us up. What can I say? Coming to the end of the night, getting tired. Time to go and get in the tent and go to bed. Always makes me laugh though. I've got no other lights on and it's not that dark. Stone Age man had it right. Little huts like this, definite. I mean, it's so warm in here as well. I have to try and spend a bit of a winter night up here. Might have to fix it up a bit. Might do that in another video. Might see if I can get it all fixed up, finished, or build another one. What do you reckon? Start afresh? Alright, we'll build another one. Alright, anyway. Just go and enjoy this fire, let it dry down a bit. And then I think I'm gonna get into bed. I'm tired. See my eyes, I'm tired. Anyway, I'll catch you in a bit. Well, I've just dragged the fire up for the night, so it's just burning everything off. Just watching it, and then I'm in the tent. I'm just, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get into bed. I ain't got a pillow. I'll just pile my clothes up and stuff. Yeah, so. Good. See if the charger will work on my phone. I don't know if it will or not. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I'll probably see you in the morning. My light's being a twat, so stop it. Yeah, I think the battery's about dying. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. See you in a bit. The night. It's just gone 4 o'clock in the morning, and something's outside the tent. Yeah, whatever it is, I think it's gone. Never mind. Oh, morning. Oh, yeah. It's about 5:45 in the morning. It's just getting light. Yeah, not a bad night. Managed to get back to sleep in the end for a little while. Not much though. Yeah, let me get up. And yeah. I've got no coffee. Oh, I've got coffee. I've just got no water. I'm not using pond water. Oh, bugger. Well, what did I say? Leave it better than you found it. Or no trace. Well, that's where the tent was. No trace there. Just need to go and shut down the earth lodge. Oh. Bye bye, Earth Lodge. See you next time. Love my Earth Lodge. I will finish it one day. Or build another one, like I said. Anyway, let's have a look. Because last night I spent a lot of time tidying up. As you can see, a large pile of crap has now gone. There's a skip close by, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, some stuff went to the skip last night. Still got some in the bag. Take out next time. But yeah, tidied everything up. Let me just let's take a wander over here. I'll just show you. It's quite a big structure. There's some quite good parties down here in the past, if I'm honest. Yeah, so anyway, just burning these last few bits off, dry me ground sheets, then I'll go and get some water from the pond, put the fire out, and I'm going home for a coffee. Well, it's about 6:30 in the morning and I'm going home to get a coffee. Everything's wrapped down, all the fire's out. So, I hope you've enjoyed this different type of adventure with me. If you have enjoyed it, please put in the subscriptions. Put in the comments, sorry, that you've enjoyed it. I'm a bit tired, I ain't really had that much sleep. Yeah. So, Chicken of the Woods did actually survive the night in the woods and was not that scared. So, he's not actually that much of a chicken of the woods, is he? Anyway, look, thanks for watching, people. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. See you all on the next one, which is probably metal detected, which I'm going to do after I've had a snooze and that's 17 coffees. See you later.